In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Docs in a Windows PC or laptop. The first thing to know is that Google Docs does not work like a traditional Windows program with a normal installer file. Google offers it mainly as a web app, so on a Windows computer, you usually use it through your browser, or you install it as a browser-based app from Google Chrome. Google Chrome's official help says websites that support app installation can be installed as web apps from Chrome. So the easiest method is this. Open Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop, then go to Google Docs in your browser and sign in to your Google account. Once the site is open, look near the address bar or open the Chrome menu in the top right. Chrome says you can install a supported website by choosing the install option from the address bar or from the menu under Cast, Save, and Share, then Install Page as App. After you confirm it, Google Docs will be added like an app on your computer, and you can launch it more quickly from your desktop or app list. If you do not want to install it as an app, you can still use Google Docs normally in your browser without installing anything. For many people, that is completely enough because Google Docs is designed to run online in the browser. The app-style install just makes it feel more like a regular desktop program and gives you a cleaner window for working. That is why many Windows users choose the web app option instead of looking for a separate exe installer. Now let's talk about offline use, because that is important on a laptop or desktop. Google's official help says offline editing for Docs requires Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. You must not use private browsing, and you need the Google Docs offline extension turned on. Google also says you can enable offline access from Google Drive settings so your recent Docs files can be created, opened, and edited without internet. To set that up, open Google Drive in Chrome or Edge, click the Settings icon, go into Settings, and turn on the offline option. Google says this setting allows recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files to be available on that device while offline. After that, you can also right-click specific files and mark them as available offline if needed. One more thing to remember is that offline mode is not meant for private or incognito browsing, and your browser should be up to date. Google specifically lists those as requirements before offline access will work properly. So if Google Docs opens fine online but refuses to work offline, that is one of the first things you should check. So, to install Google Docs on a Windows PC or laptop, open Google Docs in Google Chrome, then use Chrome's install option to add it as a web app. And if you want to use it without internet, turn on offline access in Google Drive and make sure the Google Docs offline extension is enabled. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.